We will be making meatball stew today. Our ingredients are 5 to 6 peeled and chopped tomatoes, some water, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 300 grams of minced beef formed into meatballs, half of a sweet pointed pepper chopped, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of lard or tail fat. Let's add the tail fat to a cooking pot. I am also adding the 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and I will saute them together. Let's also add the chopped onion to this mixture. After frying these for 3 minutes, I am adding the potatoes to the pot. I also sauteed them for 2 minutes, and now I am adding the sweet pointed pepper. After another 2 minutes of sauteing, I will add some water. The water needs to cover the potatoes. The pot is on medium heat at this point. Let's wait until it reaches a boil. After it starts boiling, I am adding the meatballs one by one. If added at once, they might stick to each other. Let's stir it a few rounds and leave it to simmer on medium heat with the lid on. Our stew is ready and it has turned out delicious. Please do not forget to like and share this video.